Assalamu alaikum everyone, and welcome to today's SHIB update for 4th of November. And boy, didn't I tell you yesterday that SHIB was looking very bad, okay? I want to play this video for you yesterday that I was talking about SHIB, and listen to this one.
Which is the 6203. Now, what I want to tell you, it's going to come down to this level, which is the 6203. Now, what I want to tell you, something very important. Sometimes when you see the smaller time frame act as a very big indicator, precursor to what can happen in a larger time frame. Now you see in this descending triangle like that, what happened with SHIB is that it went down. Okay, it came back for a fake out, and as well it still continues towards the downside. Okay, the problem here is that I do think it's going to do the same particular scenario for the larger descending wedge, which is on the 4-hour time frame, which is a larger descending wedge right now. This one here, this larger descending wedge. Okay, so the smaller one is like giving us a peek to the future of what can happen. So you see, it broke down, and this one can very well break down. Do you see that?
And that's it, okay? So I'm gonna dive into SHIB once again, and for those who do not even know the name, this is Adam Coins. Go to the YouTube, right? Adam Coins right there, okay? I'm killing it out there. I'm really killing it, and I'm not from the future. No, I'm not from the future. I'm just reading the charts for you. And didn't I tell you yesterday that when you see the smaller time frame playing weirdly, okay, it does give you a small idea what can happen in the future. And look, this is a clear breakdown, okay? I personally yesterday, I even said in the video, okay, that I'm not taking any trades. I'm gonna play this part for you. I don't know where did I say it.
I think that because I do believe this, I've seen this and I do have a strong semantic analysis. Sit on the sideline. It is in a place where it's
okay, so I even said that I'm not gonna trade it, and at that time the prices were at 6,500, and 2 days ago, yesterday, I said that I did take a small position and I lost 4%, okay, and I put my type stop loss at 6765, and I never took another trade, and I said it's looking bad, it can go down, and this is what I said.
It's just trapped in here. We have to wait, sit on the sidelines here, and watch every single day for the next. Now, I'm gonna tell you the date. Until 7th of November, 4 days from now, okay, 4 days from now, the apex is here, the apex is there, and the decision coming until 7th of November, the maximum time that you can wait. Why do I say this? Any time on any given, it could be tomorrow, it could be today. You could break down or you could break towards.
Exactly. Anytime. I said this yesterday, it could be tomorrow, today, and look, it was today, it was this day, and we broke towards the downside. Why? Because of this small indicator. But what's next for SHIB? Okay, what's next for SHIB? There's equally one more thing that I want to show you, and I'm going to give you another analysis. And I do think that the price target that I've already given you right down there, which is 3469, and I gave you this price target like 5 to 6 days ago, okay, when SHIB was trading at 7,000 already, and today it's at 5,000 or 6,000. I used to say that, hey, we could have this descending triangle. In between, there was a bullish sign that I saw 2 or 3 days ago for the morning star, and that's why I took a small position, and I put even a tight stop loss right there, which was taken out, and I didn't trade after that. I didn't do anything stupid after that, okay? I was like, hey, this is looking bad. I'm just gonna close my trade, and I'm just gonna wait what it does, right? And right now, guys, this is one more thing that people actually might have never shown you, but I'm going to show you right now. I did notice a pattern on the 4-hour time frame. This is the pattern that I recognized. Okay, I'm gonna remove this one, this horizontal line, and equally we used to have this kind of symmetric triangle. Do you see that? This symmetric triangle, and this is a valid trend line. I did notice this later. Do you see that? Some few touches, you have some touch right there, some few touches right here, some touch right there, and a touch right there. And equally, this one is also screaming bearish because we broke towards the downside and the prices are not moving towards the upside. But you can also make the fact that this is also a valid one, okay? The triangle here, I think these both are valid, okay? But the descending triangle is still the accurate one that I think has played out so far, okay? Because you can already see that what was support right here, one touch right there, one touch right here, some few touches right there, is now acting as a big resistance and pushing the prices towards the downside. Now, I do think personally that SHIB can do, it's trying to retest, okay? It's trying to retest, but I'm closing the trades, man, and I'm waiting for that discount that is that I've been waiting for a long time. This is where I'm gonna actually try to enter SHIB, 3,500 nearly. This is where I'm gonna have to enter SHIB, and that's like, I'm trying to save your money, man. If you listened to me yesterday, and you put a stop loss at the 6754, you're saving like 50% of your money, okay? I'm trying to save 50% of your money from going down, and this is where you can come down and actually buy your coins. So yeah, and on the daily time frame as well, I want to show you one more indicator known as the Gaussian channel right here. And sorry, not on the daily, but on the 4-hour time frame. Now you see on the 4-hour time frame, we have already entered inside the Gaussian channel. We are trapped inside the Gaussian channel. Now, for those who do not know, look what happens when you're inside a Gaussian channel, man. That's when you're gonna have a small bit. Do you see this? Like you have a big dump when you go below the Gaussian channel. You have a big dump. Now the good scenario is that when you stay on top of the Gaussian channel, right? That's when you're flipping bullish. I'm gonna zoom in, and this is when you're on top of the Gaussian channel. Boom, boom, boom. You're moving towards the upside, all right? You keep moving towards the upside, and yeah, whenever you're up there. Now look, after a very long time, we did came down into the Gaussian channel once here. And find support at the middle line, and that's it. We kept moving towards the upside. Now finally, this time around here, after we reached 8800, we've actually broken this descending triangle. We've equally failed the retest of the middle line of the Gaussian channel right now, and you can already see that it's struggling to even get above it, okay? And this is where I think you're even gonna lose the middle line right there, and you're actually gonna go farther below the Gaussian channel and dump even more downside, okay? I'm gonna hide the Gaussian channel. Let's try to see if we can find any other clues. And you can already see here that we are beneath on the 4-hour time frame. We're under the 20 and we're under the 55 as well, okay? I'm gonna bring in the 10 as well so that we can actually have a clear idea. Yeah, so bringing in the 10 EMA as well. Do you see this? We're kind of making we're trying to make this bearish cross. Do you see that? This is going down, the 10 is going down, the blue is also moving towards the downside, and I do think you're gonna have that bearish cross very soon just there. It's very, very hard for SHIB right now to even move towards the upside. Forget about the upside direction, okay? And on the daily as well, I want to see what's up on the daily with these EMAs. And yeah, we've already lost the 10. It's like we're bouncing off the 20. But you can already see that the 55 EMA, do you see that? It's already creeping up to this price level that I'm already giving you. So it's very likely that SHIB is going to come all the way down here. So be careful. I'm not going to recommend you to trade. I've closed the trades 2 days ago. I did close it at this level, okay? I never traded SHIB after that. You can go to my channel, Adam Coins. You can watch all the video updates on SHIB, okay? And for the past few days, okay, I've been giving even shoutouts on SHIB was at 2,000. That's going to go to 8,700, okay? I've been telling you this call, and now I've been giving you the dump call as well, because it's a simple formula. When you get the big green candles, you're about to get a red big candle as well, okay? So that's it for today's SHIB update. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'm gonna see you tomorrow with a new video update. Allah Hafiz.